Ra's al Ghul and his ninjas will be here any second, so I need to hide. We are here, and I don't see Batman around, so I need to get to the Ooze as fast as I can. That way I'll be young again, and then I can finally destroy Batman. I want you two to secure the area, and I want you to prepare the Ooze. Yes, sir. And may I ask, where is the Ooze? It is behind the pit, and you must put it in the dragon's mouth. Yes, sir. This must be the Ooze. I can't let Ra's al Ghul and his ninjas get the real Ooze. I need to step in. What is happening? It's me, Bruce Wayne. You know Batman? Yeah, I had to get into disguise because I need to do anything and everything I can to stop Ra's al Ghul. I suppose I should also get the ninja mask. I'll be right back. That's better. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch the slime so Ra's al Ghul can't carry out his plan, and he won't know the difference. Because they're both green. You must hurry and get the Ooze in there immediately before Batman arrives. Don't worry, it's all in there ready to go. The moment I've been waiting for. So what does everyone think? Do I look any younger? With all due respect, sir, you look the same. Yep, you definitely look the same. Impossible! Well, I still feel the same. What is going on here? I'll tell you what's going on. I, Batman, switched out the Ooze. Impossible! Ninjas, get him! Missed. I'll get you. We'll see about that. Impossible! I'll get you for this, Batman. Ugh, the slime is so sticky and ooey gooey. So why did you leave the League of Shadows anyway, Batman? Because I didn't agree with your way of upholding justice. And I want to rebuild Gotham City. You want to destroy it. It looks like I win, Batman. No, you don't. Ra's al Ghul, now I'm a part of the Justice League, where we help people. Maybe someday you'll think about helping people. It's much better. Ugh. I'll get you for this, Batman. Someday. Ugh. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time, friends. Bye.